What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the driveway, and welcome back in our friend the old street tractor. Now the basis of this video is pretty much a 60-second review of the GlowShift 2nd Gen 98 to I think it's 03. I'll correct myself right there. Center console with cup holders and all that, my review of it, and I'll give you a quick install, nothing really special. So here it is all installed. I added the sticker there just to make it look a little bit more bougie, but there it is all installed. You got good sized cup holders, a little phone holder right there, and I mean, aside from that, I mean, it looks fairly decent. Looks like it'll hold up pretty well. But herein lies the problem with this thing. One, I had one with my other interior. I swapped this from out of 98. What I had before was obviously the original setup from a 97. I had the Autometer setup, which was a very similar setup with the cup holders and all that. Now, this deal right here is almost the same, except, well, it just literally bangs the hell out of drinks going down the road because there's no support. I'll show you real quick. You see right here, there's no support. So you're going down the road, and if you got two beverages, it's doing this the whole damn time. Aside from that, the install, really, there's no real install to it aside from, well, open the latch, lift it up, clean this area right here, and attach the 3M tape that they have. But I can tell you, the humidity in your truck, it's not going to sit. So what did I use? Well, little Hot Shot Secrets right there. Put that pretty much just like that. Let that sit overnight. Keep the weight on it. And then rechecked it. And, well, guess what? It's now stuck. So there's that. And now I'm sure everybody's curious to see if this thing actually closes. Well, here's your test. It closes, but eventually you slam it hard enough and yeah, it does close. Hopefully you don't have to really get in there that frequently. Thank God I drive this truck on the weekends, stuff like that. At the end of the day, this works. Obviously it is a benefit. You have cup holders because you don't have to use the standard 2nd gen cup holders that probably don't work in your truck just like they don't work in mine. But $60 some for that, I don't know if I really would push that to somebody. I think it's made a little bit, maybe say a little cheaper than the Autometer setup. But aside from that, I mean, it works. It's fucking cup holders, guys. So we're going to go ahead and leave it off like that. Do what you guys always do. Like, share, subscribe. P-Pump the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.